In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to make.com. This can be an incredibly powerful integration, allowing you to automate tasks across both platforms seamlessly. We'll go through each step carefully, ensuring you have all the details you need for a successful setup. First off, ensure that you have both a Notion account and a make.com account. These are crucial as they form the backbone of our integration. Once you're logged into make.com, you'll want to navigate to the dashboard. Here you'll find an option to create a new scenario. This scenario acts as a container for all the actions and triggers you'd like to set up between Notion and make.com. With a new scenario started, the next step is to add a Notion module. Simply click on the plus sign, type Notion in the search field, and select the appropriate module. This module is the connector between Notion and Make, allowing the two systems to communicate. Popular triggers within this module include Watch Database Items, Watch Pages, and Watch Events. These are designed to notify you of any changes or updates on the Notion side. As for actions, you can choose options like Create Database Item, Update Database Item, or Append Page Content, which are all detailed in the Notion Make documentation. Now we need to create a connection. Click on Create a Connection, which will prompt a Notion authorization pop-up. At this point, you'll be asked to sign into your Notion workspace. You will typically input your workspace URL, which usually looks something like your workspace.notion.site. One critical step is to select and grant Make access to your Notion pages and databases. Here, you'll need to allow Make access to all the relevant databases, pages, and workspaces. It's important to ensure that all these elements are correctly shared with Make. This is a common pitfall where users run into issues because access was not adequately set. Once you've trusted Make with access, revisit your Notion application. Here, select the database or page you wish to connect, then click on Share. Within the sharing options, add Make as a collaborator, and ensure you click on Invite. This crucial step allows Make to view and interact with your databases, making the entire integration process possible. With sharing settings ironed out, return to make.com. Now your workspace, databases, and pages should appear as options within the drop-down menus of your new scenario setup. Lastly, configure the trigger. For instance, if you've chosen Watch Database Items, you'll need to decide which database to monitor, possibly set a limit on the number of items to watch, and tweak the trigger settings to your specific needs. This setup allows you to keep an eye on new pages, updated rows, or any changes within the databases, ensuring you stay informed about what's happening on Notion. And that's it. Now you've connected Notion to make.com. Make sure to explore and customize the integration to best fit your workflow needs. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!